All right, Victory School crew, Shane here with video number 6 and our goal setting made easy series right here. So welcome to School of Sticking, right? If you were with me in video number 5, you got your why locked in, and that's the fire that's burning bright right now. It's your why. Now you got to have a why, right? Now we're making sure that those goals stick like glue. So did you know that just writing your goals down makes them 42% more likely to happen? Today I'm going to show you how to do it right and the why that this works. So let's get into it. All right, let's go. So here's the deal. Your brain is a busy place. You've got ideas bouncing all around. You've got things coming at you. You've got dreams that are fading. They're going up and down, and you don't grab them. If you don't grab them and if you just let them slide by, you've got to write them down. You can be, do, and have anything you want in life, anything you want. But you've got to write your goals down. You've got to write it down, right? It's like hitting the save button. It turns those fuzzy thoughts into something real, something that you can hold on to. And that's 42% stat. That's the stat that is studied, and it's a fact. 42% chances of achieving that goal just by simply writing it down. And that's from a study at the Dominican University, and it's legit. So how do we make this stick? I've got 3 simple tricks, very, very easy. It's simple. You know me by now. If it's not easy and simple, I'm not doing it. So trick number 1 is be specific. Don't just write down, I want to get fit. It's too vague. It slips away. Instead, write something like, I ran a 5K by June 1st, for example, and boom, right? You've got it down there. Now it's concrete. Now you can see it. Now you can feel it. Now you can chase it. So specificity. So when you get specific, that's what sticks, right? So trick number 2 is put it where you're going to see it. Put that goal where you're going to see. Don't bury it in a drawer like I did. Fold it in a piece of paper. Stick it on your mirror. On your fridge, on your phone, wallpaper. I've got my victory book, and I put all my goals in the victory workbook, and I can see them every single day. I've got a place to put my goals. Make sure you get a place to put your goals. I recommend the victory workbook edition, but you can get a journal, or you can get a paper if you want. You're probably going to lose it. It's not the best way. You can write all your goals on the paper until you transfer it in your book, but have a place where you can see your goals every single day. And so with me, my goals are staring me down. They're keeping me on track. And where are you going to put yours? I recommend the Victory Workbook Edition. It's available on Amazon. You can get it there. And finally, so have a place to put your goals down. And finally, number 3 is, say it out loud. After you write it, read it to yourself and say it out loud, and say it like you're proud. And I'm starting my own business, right? That I've started my own business. Doesn't that just feel good if you're wanting to start your business? Or I'm the boss of my own company. I am the CEO of my own company. Or I have $10,000 in the bank. Hearing it makes it real, not just, ink on paper. So it's you committing, and that's the glue. It's your commitment to that goal that is the glue. So Victory School fam, it locks in your head and your heart when you say it out loud. So that's the School of Sticking. Write it, be specific, keep it visible, and say it out loud. That's it. Easy and simple. Anyone can do this. That's a 42% boost, and it's now yours. So your goals aren't just ideas anymore. They're promises. You're building momentum, and we're nowhere near done here. We're just getting started here. So now it's your turn. Grab your pen and write that big goal down from video number 3, right? And make it specific, and tell me where you're putting it in the comments. Just put it in the comment. Tell me where you keep your goals. Now I'm reading every single comment, and I'm hyped to see you and see your comments. So just hit subscribe. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, turn on the notifications, and so that you don't miss the next one. And it's about to get wild in here. Up next is what? Video number 7. We're talking about the School of Vision, right? We're getting visual next time, and I'm going to show you how a simple picture can turbocharge your progress and pull those goals straight into your reality. It's amazing. So you won't believe how fun and how powerful this is. So don't miss it. We'll see you there. All right. So let's keep this Victory School vibe rolling. Keep it going. I'll catch you on the next one. So let's go.